Hi, my name is Alan from Hawkdive, but welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be looking at a game called the Garten of Banban. It is not really garden, okay? Please take note of that. But today we're going to be tackling it because it is one of the famous games, or at least popular game at this point in time of recording. And of course, I want to update you guys about the latest and greatest for, the meantime, or things that are actually important on technology and of course gaming. So this is one of the few gaming sessions that we're going to be having in this YouTube channel. But first of all, I want to tell you more stuff about the game. Of course, like what is the game about? So basically, Garden of Banban is a mysterious and tragic game that revolves around the disappearance of children in a renowned theme or a renowned area called the Banban Kindergarten. So it's like a kid's journey getting lost in the kindergarten. And there are a lot of stuffed toys in it. A lot of mascots that are called cute mascots. And we, the players, are going to try to figure out why they're being lost in this little city of a game, if that makes sense. So actually, I'm going to hop into my desktop here and I'm going to show you more of the game. Like we're going to play today. So here, I am on my desktop right now, and as you can see, we are on Steam. This is the Steam store. This is the Steam store. And actually, before everything else, I want to download the game and experience it with you guys because it has a mixed review, I know, but it has a lot of people playing on it. Like the player base is really high right now. So here we go. Developer, Euphoric Brothers, kind of new to the field. We're going to go and play the game. So it is around, there you go, around 588 megabytes. So not really much, half a gig. So I'm just going to download it and we're going to give it a shot. So here you go. I'm going to go and give it a download. But while it is downloading, I want to show you more of it. So there's actually 4 chapters of it. This is number 1. It's currently free on Steam, but the other 4 are actually not free. So if I just go here and search for Garden of Banban, we have one which is now for free, Garden of Banban 2, which is for 273 pesos, which roughly translates to there you go. Here you guys to around $5. There you go. $5. Similar with Garden of Banban 4, which is actually not yet out. But of course, this is a 4th chapter and people are waiting for it. The price would probably be around $5 to $10. Same with the Garden of Banban 3, which is $5. So that's cool. So what are chapters for? Because there are literally more theories coming up on the internet and the developers on developing, making the game more smooth, more better, and wanna like continue on the great storyline that it has because there's a lot of theories going outside. But as you can see as well, I am popped in to the play.google.com, which you can download the Garden of Banban if you want to play it on your Google device. It is compatible to most devices actually, and there's even a Roblox version. But before that, I want to show you the iPhone version too. You can play it on your iOS device. Here, let me just show you. If I go to my App Store right now, let me search for Garten of Banban. There you go. You can play it right here on your iOS device. I don't know if the camera would focus on it, but there you go. So this game revolves around you finding stuff. There's puzzles, and then there's the scary things. A lot of it. And we're gonna I personally I really didn't want to play the game, but I'm gonna go and hop into the game. And we're gonna play it. Wish me luck because I don't really like playing horror games or whatsoever. But for you guys, for you people, for you over at Hawkdive, for everyone that reads article in Hawkdive, this is for you and everybody that is watching our YouTube channel. Actually, if you guys didn't know yet, we actually started our TikTok account and we started being more active on Twitter and also YouTube. So, oh wait, this is YouTube, but I mean YouTube Shorts. You should probably go and step into those platform, give us a little follow because we would totally appreciate that. And yeah, right here it is performing the first time setup because this is my first time opening Garden of Banban. But yeah, it is, Markiplier even gave the game a a try and whatsoever. It's kind of like Five Nights at Freddy's in a way, like the newer versions, if you guys are familiar with that. Um, but yeah, the goal of the game is to explore the whole location without sacrificing the life or sanity of our player here. But let me first see. We're having some troubles right now. Let me head over to settings, change the resolution 1920 by 1080. Let's turn off full screen. Let's do mix, a little new, and then let's just do best quality. And I'm gonna apply the game auto runs at they call this at 1280p. I don't know why not. So let me put on a little sound too. Hopefully you guys can. Oh, that's too loud for you guys. Here, let me show you. Lower it down just a tad bit. Do this. Let me do. I'll give you guys around 10% of the volume of the game. So if it's scary, feel free to leave, but don't leave me alone. Okay? Yeah, we're gonna do this. We're gonna do 4. There you go. Not too loud, hopefully, but we're gonna apply this. And there's a main screen. Released 2023, and there's already a lot of versions of the game. The game is still really loud for me. I don't know about you guys, but let me just lower it down. Can I lower it down? There are no game settings for the audio. Oh, there is. I'll lower it down a little bit. Of course, the sound effects and the dialogues. I want to lower everything, and of course, increase turn on the subtitles and dialogue. So there you go. It is still very loud for my side, but there's the game, and we're gonna start playing it and show you guys the mechanics of the game, and just overall explore the game. We're gonna have fun today, hopefully, because this is a horror game. I'll do a new game. Currently updated. It's version 1.0.3. It's a story game. Again, keep in mind, kindergarten office. There you go. It's gonna show us the story for a parent looking for their missing child. Time is delicate matter. Click the clock to advance the time. Look at that guy. That is already a little scary. So this game is a horror game, a thriller game. I already don't like this. Guys, what do we do? Can I just quit? Yeah, we're gonna give this a shot. Yeah, we're gonna apply that. It's lower down my sensitivity because it's too high. Um, the controls. Command the drone, teleport drone, WASD. We're gonna press E to interact, shift to jump, shift to sprint, and then space to jump. That's the controls. Okay, we got a card that is very interactive. Honestly, I don't want to play this, guys. I play games like a lot, but I don't like playing games like this. Singer Flynn says, having many arms allows me to help more people. So I would say that these guys are the stuffed toys or the mascots that keep on taking the people in the game or the kids. That's kind of the story. That is a really scary hole. I can see something right there in the middle. I don't like that. We're probably not gonna last in this game. I am a very bad. This is already giving me goosebumps. Oh, we got a drone. Can we? The remote requires 2 batteries. We're not gonna be playing this for long, guys. This is a game that I don't play. I play a lot of games and I'm gonna play it with you guys, but it is not for me. And I require 2 batteries. Where are the batteries at? Am I supposed to go there? All right. Oh, this is a battery. 1 and 2. Cool. So this is the game, it's a puzzle game. You get stuff. You go around the map. I have a sanity meter. Oh, there you go. How do we control it again? Go to controls. Left mouse to use your toy and then teleport the drone. Right? Press the right mouse button. Oh, wait. Oh, it moves. Come on. You can do it. Go over there. It is now bugged. Oh, okay, cool. Okay, cool. Oh, dear mummy, I am hiding in a room, but I have to fight the monster. It is the only chance to make Claire like me, monster, the duck. This game, if you guys are familiar with Poppy Playtime, similar game. Can you go there? Oh, you can't go through. Where do we go from here? I'm bad with puzzles. I think we're never gonna be able to escape this room. It says E to interact. Yeah, I'm stuck. Hi. Can you go here? Um, yeah, I'm not the gamer you guys needed for this type of games. I think I think it is better off explaining what's happening on a different gameplay than me actually playing the game, because I cannot get past this and I'm supposed to be able to pass this. No, where is it? No, you're supposed to go there. Come on. It says I gotta put it in the next room, but it keeps it keeps on hitting the thing. You move a little bit right here. Oh wait. So uh guys, we're stuck. We're stuck. I'm gonna explain to you how the game works using a different video. We're gonna go we're gonna go and get a gameplay. Hold on. We can I'm gonna give it a few more try, but the drone can't go through here. It says I can summon the drone by right clicking. Okay, you know what? Okay, I'm not doing this game anymore. I'm gonna show you how the game is played through me watching someone play it. So here, I'm gonna open up my browser, and then we're gonna go over and search for Markiplier Garden of Banban, because Markiplier is one of the most famous YouTuber that I've seen play the game, because it's a kind of a new game, and you know a lot of people are playing it. You see, the game is
It's just a little squid gamey in here.
the game is fine. It was just me. I just don't know what to do. Can I see? Can I see what he does? See, he opens that.
Drone.
He gets the drone.
Oh. Flynn said.
I read that too. I saw how shiny that thing is. Okay. And then what?
Okay. And says toy cannot be. Kill it. Oh. Okay. Hey.
Oh, okay. Can I go back here? So that's the purpose of the drone. I need you to hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Cool. What? Oh. Okay. What? Okay, we're not playing this game anymore. Guys, we're done. Anyway,
I
this
gotta
is
go
the game.
across the room to this horrible place. Money? Did I get money? Oh, it's a card. Fine.
That guy's a
Didn't want
friendly
to.
guy. No, he's there.
Are you kidding me?
Physics. But yeah, there's like little monsters popping here and there from time to time. So I did my research, but I just didn't research enough for the gameplay. So like if I just go through a round, would I just die? I am not a fan of this game. That is so scary. Like that pure black. My mouse just moved to the right. Oh, because I'm losing insanity. I mean sanity. I'm going insane. I mean my character. But because this is where I'm gonna end this little gameplay, I just really want to showcase the game. But I suck at playing games such as this one. But we figured this is a popular game. I gotta give it a shot. But I'm not this type of gamer. Anyway, if you want to see me more in other games that I would probably play better, I have my own channel and social medias, which is Alan Avila, and I play games. That's the type of game that I play. I play FPS games. You can see it on those channels. This is not my type of game. But this is where I'm also going to end this video here because I think I'm taking up too much of your time. Should probably watch other gameplays about it. But this video is for me to inform you that you can acquire this game into many platforms, and this is how the game looks like, and this is how the game plays. Um, it's just I'm bad with this type of game. But hopefully you did learn a thing or two about in this video, and I will see you guys in the next one over at Hawkdive. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Check us out over at TikTok. We recently just reached 1,000 followers on TikTok. So tiktok.com/at Hawkdive blog. It'll be on the description. But yeah, have a nice day. Good night and have fun playing this game if you're ever gonna play it.